Hey, welcome to Lindalandet. Today I am unboxing something I've been really excited about. It's my brand new DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro camera, and I went for the Adventure combo pack. It's just so you know, it's I'm not a camera expert, so not at all, you know, and basically I know nothing, but I wanted something that I could use to make YouTube videos, and that works in any kinds of weather. And my phone definitely doesn't work in bad weather, especially here in Norway. So this camera will be my very first impression and unboxing as a total beginner. So let's begin. This is yeah, a lens protective cover. Okay, we put this aside, and here the box. It looks pretty clean. So DJI seems to be good at packaging. I think it looks really professional. And honestly, I'm getting very impatient now, so let's open it. Osmo Action 5 Pro. I think the camera is in here. Oh, it's smaller than I expected. It's solid and with a very nice weight to it. Screens on both sides, in front and back. It looks really fancy. Okay. Now for the accessories. The Adventure combo comes with extra stuff, I think. Let's take a look. Okay. I'm unpacking. You know, they have been packing very, very good. And it's more accessories here. Let me put this aside. And here's the batteries. I believe this is a charger box. Looks practical. I guess it charges multiple batteries at once. Oh, look, it's 3 batteries. Okay. And the light is on. So that shows that it works, I guess. And we have this selfie stick or extension arm, and of course it cables here also. There's always cables. Everything feels compact and travel friendly. Okay, this is yeah, Well, I need to read the instruction about this. Here is the manual, I guess. Quick start guide. It's good for me to read. This is, this is a real star. I have heard that it's waterproof. Oh, it's a lot of plastic here. Basically built for anything, perfect for Norway. I'd say I really hope that this camera lives up to the name, Adventure Combo. Okay, now I have looked at all the accessories and checked that everything is here. I have taken a look at the quick start guide. So the camera, I have seen that it's a magnet. Ah, very clever. Oh, it's need to be, okay, you have to push it quite hard, and it's got to be in this, yeah, it's not holes, but yeah, you can see. And this got to be in this. It's a magnet attached like this. And that logo, or the DJI, you can see here, it's got to be the same way as the camera lens. Okay. Okay, and then we have the battery here. Take out the battery, and it's here. Wow, English. Oh, what kind of a sound was that? Okay, I think I turn it off again. Bye bye. Okay, and this is the cable. Is it in here? Oh, there it was. And this is, I won't put it on now, but to get the camera in here, you have to open this one. And you will see it's getting wider here. So it's enough space for the camera to go inside. And here we have this, look, we didn't know how to put this camera on a standard tripod, so we didn't know about this one. We can use because this is a standard thread to mount on a regular camera tripod, so we were very, very happy when we saw this, because then we can just take on this one. Okay, like this. Then we can attach the camera on this holder. Oh, this was upside down or something? No, it wasn't. And then we can put this on a tripod. That's really great. Then I'm very excited to learn how to use this camera and to see the result of the movies. I definitely test out this in real life soon. I'm completely new to this, so I first need to figure out how to even turn it on so before I start filming. But that was my unboxing on the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro with the Adventure Combo Pack. If you have any tips for a total beginner, please drop them in the comments. I really appreciate it. Thank you for watching, and I see you when I actually try filming with this thing. Look forward to that. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Hey, welcome to Lindalandet. Today I will Jeg er forvirret, for det står hey, welcome to this video. Ikke sant? For det sånn, hei, så skal jeg først si velkommen til Lindaland, og så velkommen. Ja, så jeg tenker å si this video. Nei, selvfølgelig ikke. Det jo derfor man har manuskript, for å si det som står der. Så det dårlig manuskript.
Ja, jeg burde jo skifte ut akkurat det, ser jeg.
Ja. Hello, welcome to Lindalandet. Today I will unpack det her oppe, og her skulle jeg liksom ta det opp da.
Ja, du her?
Ja.
Ok, kjør da.
Thank you for watching. Goodbye.